It's your first job, a dream role. New company, new challenges, and new responsibilities. Sounds very exciting. But then, on the flip side, you have to meet new people, impress your new boss, and find your way. Feels like you're entering a jungle. A corporate one. How do you not appear clueless? Well, there are a few survival tips from our side. Each week will require something different for you. So, here's your curriculum for the first few weeks. The tasks, responsibilities, and the things you need to do while settling in. Week 1. Surviving the newbie stage. Arrive early. Arriving late on your first day or week won't look good to your team, manager, or HR. If you're working from the office, plan your trip with 30 minutes to spare to cover any delays like traffic, finding parking, and finding your way. If you'll be working remotely, test and check your internet connection ahead of time. Introduce yourself. You'll be meeting a lot of people in the first week, all with questions about who you are, what you do, which team you'll fit in, and where your background is. Prepare an elevator pitch so you can respond and articulate yourself easier and quicker. An elevator pitch is a quick introduction about you, your expertise, your passions, and what you can bring to the table. This will help your team understand you better. Learn the organization chart. You don't have to know everyone, their roles, and where they fit in during your first week or month. However, getting to know your new team structure and their roles will give you some insight into who you will be working closely with and how the whole team and company operates. Ask questions. There's no such thing as a stupid question. If you don't understand something, can't remember where the cafeteria is? Ask. You don't want to come across as a know-it-all, and you certainly want to show you're willing to learn. This will go down better than trying to figure it all out on your own. In our next video, we will look at how you can navigate inside a company. Until next time!